We self-implemented Salesforce a number of years ago. I think that we could have saved ourselves a lot of pain and probably investment in engaging a strategic partner early on for optimizing it in our company. My name is Ryan Newman. I am the Vice President of Information Technology for Traeger Pellet Grills. We are a 30-year-old brand that specializes in optimizing the culinary experience on our products with our customers. We've been a Salesforce customer for approximately 10 years, but that implementation has been very fragmented across our company. I think that the Salesforce implementation kind of grew organically. One department decided that they wanted some functionality of Salesforce, and so they implemented it. Another department saw the same thing, and so they implemented a different piece of functionality, and it lacked, again, some level of cohesion across all of our business groups. So last year we defined one of our strategic priorities as capitalizing on our investment in Salesforce. We knew that we didn't have the internal expertise to do this ourselves, as we are a grilling and culinary brand. And so we did a scan of potential vendors and also solicited information and recommendations from Salesforce themselves on local partners that could help us through this process. They recommended Eide Bailly as a key partner for them and one that has helped other clients through that transition as well. Eide Bailly first performed a very in-depth discovery exercise with us, understanding our business and the various business units that could potentially leverage Salesforce to understand our business processes beginning to end. They then swung into action with a functional implementation plan on how we can strategically place Salesforce in those business units and enable them for success. Through our tight partnership with Eide Bailly, we have gained a really good understanding of the capabilities of the Salesforce platform and how it can apply to the various business functions across our organization. If I were to offer any advice to other potential customers, is the main thing for us is to focus on what we're good at. We're a culinary brand that helps our customers optimize their cooking experience on our product. We're not a software implementation company, and that's not where we can invest our resources. So we identify and leverage experts in those fields to help us with those projects. And we've learned through this process that we could have saved ourselves a lot of time and money had we engaged a partner like Eide Bailly earlier in the process.